With a perfect combination of comfort and capability, your Subaru Crosstrek is designed to get you to and from any journey in confidence. By adding genuine Subaru accessories, you'll be ready for wherever life takes you, from city streets to the back roads. Plus, you can include them in your monthly payment plan, a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Come along for the ride as we take a closer look at just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories now available for your Subaru Crosstrek. Whether you take on the urban jungle or tackle uncharted territory, genuine Subaru protection and security accessories give you extra peace of mind and help keep your Subaru Crosstrek looking its best, both inside and out. Let's take a look at a few of them now. Color-matched and designed to complement the styling of your Crosstrek, body side moldings help you protect your doors from dents, and door edge guards help you protect your door edges from dings and chips, while seamlessly blending into the door design. Splash guards help protect the paint finish from stones and road grime, while door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off the inside of your doors. Put your windows down to let fresh air in, while keeping inclement weather out. Genuine Subaru side window deflectors are evaluated for water intrusion and extensively tested to reduce wind noise and vibration. Custom-fitted high-wall design all-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. And for times when a little extra room is needed to transport larger cargo, lower your seats without worry of damage with the rear seat back protector. Your Subaru Crosstrek is designed to take you there, wherever your there happens to be. Genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories let you explore life even further. Here are a few accessories available from this collection. Start your Crosstrek with the remote engine starter and adjust your vehicle's interior temperature to begin any adventure in comfort. The popular auto-dimming mirror with compass and HomeLink offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions, and it offers an 8-point digital compass to keep you headed in the right direction. Secure your items in the cargo area to help keep them from rolling around with the cargo net. And keep your items out of sight with the maximum coverage, fully retractable cargo cover. The cargo tray not only helps protect the cargo area from water, stains, dirt, and other messes, the surface of this accessory helps reduce shifting of your cargo while driving. Some of your adventures may require a little more cargo space. Increase the cargo carrying capabilities by adding a crossbar set. Choose from the Crossbar Set Aero or Aero Extended, depending on your preference on style and function. Genuine Subaru crossbar sets support the use of Subaru roof attachments and carriers. You were born to explore. Carry everything you need for wherever life leads you with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule. Here are just a few that let you fill your gear to fulfill your next adventure. From the Thule Cargo Carrier, a heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage, to carriers specifically designed to carry your kayak or paddleboard for adventures on the water, to a carrier to transport your skis or snowboard when the mountains are calling. If your adventure includes hitting the trails on 2 wheels instead of 4, a variety of bike carriers manufactured by Thule are available for you to choose from. Transport your bikes from above with a roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Or if you prefer to haul your bikes behind you, carry up to 2 bikes with a hitch-mounted bike carrier. Or if you're hauling mountain bikes or downhill bikes, e-bikes, fat bikes, or bikes with a carbon frame, the hitch platform bike carrier may be your preference. Tow up to 1,500 pounds with a trailer hitch. This genuine Subaru accessory is engineered and crash-tested to meet the same rigorous safety standards as the rest of your Crosstrek. Make every drive the ride of your life and add a little attitude with genuine STI accessories. Let's take a look at a few now available for your Crosstrek. The dark gray flush-mounted STI roof spoiler adds a sporty touch to the Crosstrek and includes the STI logo. And the STI alloy wheel set gives your Crosstrek the perfect blend of attitude and style, combined with improved handling and steering precision. STI shift knobs add a finishing touch to set your Crosstrek apart from the crowd. Choose from the STI shift knob, the STI Duracon shift knob, or the STI leather shift knob. Genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories keep your pet safe and comfortable on any journey. Here are a few available from this collection. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested, Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness, designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. Especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues, the pet ramp allows for easy vehicle entrance and exit and folds down to store in the cargo area when not in use. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can also be used as a car seat to keep your pet safe during any road trip. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area of the vehicle. They're both ideal for travel and everyday transport, and you can help keep the interior of your Crosstrek protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector, seat cover rear, and console lid protector. Remember to bring the pet travel bowl so you can bring your pet's food and water along wherever the road takes you and your furry travel companion. Make a bold statement and enhance the good looks of your Crosstrek even more with the genuine Subaru style accessories. Let's take a look at a few of them now. Create a custom look to the front of your Crosstrek with a sport grille. Metallic finished side sill plates add some protection and dress up the door sills of the Crosstrek. Add a soft blue glow to illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area with the footwell illumination kit. And elevate the interior lighting of your Crosstrek with crisp, bright white illumination with the LED upgrade for map and dome lights. Thanks for joining us to see just a few genuine Subaru accessories available for the Subaru Crosstrek. Love is out there. Find it with your Crosstrek and with genuine Subaru accessories. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn more about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru Crosstrek. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.